flight is at 7:40 and we arrive at the airport at 5 a.m. Surprisingly, our flight was on time. Good job, Cebu Pacific.
Hello guys, papunta na kami lahat sa Boracay. Medyo takot ako kasi never pa ako nakapunta sa aeroplano, pero I hope safe yung journey natin. Ito po mama ko, ito po si Sabrina, si Kuya Yuno.
Kinakabahan kami.
Ito to yung outside view, kung makita niyo pa yun. So probably hindi niyo makikita yung take off kasi I'm too scared na yun. So babalikan na lang kayo mamaya kapag napunta na kami sa nakapag-landing na or something like that.
Ready for takeoff, but first, let's listen to the safety demo.
Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To fasten, lift top of buckle and pull 3 end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, blow inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide rack. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and remain with this.
This is it! Thank God for the nice weather. Katiklan Airport bound. We took a trike going to the port. 3 persons lang ang pwede per trike. Dahil big group kami, I think we were 43 people sa group namin. Sinakop namin yung buong boat. Boracay Island bound! We took another trike going to the hotel, and since big group kami, naghiwa-hiwalay na kami. 300 pesos yung binayaran namin sa trike namin. After 10 minutes, we arrived at our hotel, Paradise Garden Hotel. So while waiting for our rooms, we went out to check the hotel amenities. In fairness, ang laki ng hotel. Ang daming available rooms, may mga summer houses pa. There are a total of 3 pools, and our personal favorite is this one. It has 2 slides, one for adults and one for kids. There's also a sunken bar, but we weren't able to try it kasi nga puro kids kasama namin. After we have settled everything, we went out for lunch. It was drizzling, so this is what you're going to expect if you go to Boracay in July. It's sunny in the morning but rainy in the afternoon. The good thing about it though is it's not crowded. After eating lunch, Boss Baby insisted to swim in the pool even though it's raining, so lifeguard mode on ako kahit di marunong lumangoy. Maulan pa din kahit gabi na, kaya nanood na lang kami ng fire dance sa may V-Hub.
That's it, and we are about to sleep, but before we go to sleep, mag-midnight snack kami. And guess kung ano ang aming midnight snack. Siyempre, Andox ulit. So, this is what we're going to eat for today. So, we have here Bistek Tagalog. This is 75 pesos each. Bistek rice. And then, we have Dokito legs. 80 pesos siya. Tapos, nag-extra rice kami. Ayan. Ano to? Ay, wala na pala lamang. Nilagay ko na pala. Tapos, may bayad pala kapag humingi ka ng parang plate or yung box nila. And then, disposable spoon and fork. That's 5 pesos each. And then, for my dessert, I bought mais con hielo. So, total price of everything. Ay, meron pa pala akong biling 1.5 na Royal. So, everything, ang total is 420. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my day